Today we're looking at the micro, and through fractal mining, meaning looking at the fractals from a 3-minute time frame, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute time frame, we have a discovery here. Okay, we're on the 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame is mirroring the yearly time frame. The bottom here occurred May 20th. Okay. The top here, that happened, what, Friday? Okay. The market, based on the 15-minute time frame, began to decline. And what I expect as a map, the yearly will follow a similar pattern. Okay. Now, this particular 15-minute time frame is called a semi-quasi-fractal. You have the count here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's the top. The bottom is going to be over here. Now, if we break above the recent high, you can throw the chart away. Okay. However, I've seen this so many times through mining the fractals on the different time frames, and it's almost a perfect match. What happened in the past will happen in the future again, just like history. We're looking at a history book, okay? Granted, if you compare the 15-minute chart here to the daily chart on a yearly basis, you'll see the similarity. Now, the similarity is not exact, okay? That's why it's called semi-quasi. But the form remains pretty solid here, okay? Especially with the trend line up here. You have the same trend line on the yearly chart, okay? So what we do every day, we look for a setup here via fractal mining, meaning we're looking for fractals that indicated turns in the past, okay? And these particular fractals reappear again. So you can find a potential trade setup on a smaller time frame, and if it matches the larger time frame, okay, it's set up. I put a couple charts on Newmont mining, okay, and I showed you a typical fractal bottom that began that rally. That was a longer time frame, a weekly time frame. However, if you go to, I believe it was a 1-hour time frame, you have a good entry point to go along there. You put your stop at the bottom of the fractal, you do a hedge, and you can go long. I think gold will probably go higher for now. And that's another example I put on Telegram for gold. Again, look for similar fractal. We're looking at a decaying fractal here, okay? And it's beginning to fall. A good confirmation would be if we break the levels here, like D and F, okay? Again, you have to refer to your yearly chart to get those prices, but this looks pretty darn good for at least a scare here. We're going to have a spike down and then spike up and then back down again. So it's very possible we could have you know, a 400-point drop. Um, that's quite a bit. Again, it's not going to happen in a day or a week or maybe a month. We don't know. Okay, but we do at the moment here we have a good turning point. Again, the fractals will give you a minor or a major turning point. Okay, it's very possible the market could spike down, everybody gets scared, and then it goes back up again. All right, so you need to monitor the fractals on all time frames every day to find out if you have another fractal that may alter what we're looking at here. But again, the fractals are giving a good roadmap, and we have a roadmap for October. Okay, um, and that's the point of looking at the market, mapping the market using fractals. We'll see how this works out. Thank you, Nikki from ElliotFractals.com, X.com, YouTube, and I'm also on Facebook. We'll find out what happens tonight. Signing off.